Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered why some people have a lot of money but still feel insecure? The author of the best-selling book The Almanac of Naval Ravikant believes that true wealth consists of assets that earn while you sleep, such as businesses, investments, and intellectual property. Today, I'll break down the content of this book and explore Naval's valuable wealth concepts together. Money is a medium of exchange, but wealth is an asset that provides lasting value. Suppose you have a sum of cash. This cash will depreciate over time, especially with inflation. However, if you own a rental property, it will generate rental income every month, even when you're on vacation or sleeping. Running a successful business is also a form of wealth. This business can continuously generate profits without your daily involvement. For example, Bill Gates founded Microsoft, and even though he no longer participates in the company's daily operations, Microsoft continues to generate massive wealth for him. Please think about and share in the comments your views on wealth and money. Which assets do you believe can bring you continuous income? Which ones are just short-term money? Naval suggests finding your unique skills and productizing them to generate continuous income. First, we need to identify our strengths. You can find out what you're good at and what the market needs through self-assessment and market research. For example, you might be good at programming, writing, or painting. Next, we need to turn these skills into products. If you are good at writing, consider writing a book or creating an online course. Through these methods, your knowledge and skills can become products that can be sold. For example, J.K. Rowling successfully productized her skills through the Harry Potter series. Although this process requires time and effort, the rewards are enormous. Her books not only sold globally, but were also adapted into movies, games, and more, bringing continuous income. Think about what unique skills you have that can be productized. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments and tell us how your personal brand journey began. So, how do you find your talent? Naval believes that through constant trying and reflection, you can find what you love and are good at. First, you can try new things. Don't be afraid of failure. Each attempt is an opportunity to discover your talents. You can try learning a new skill, participating in different types of activities, or even changing jobs. Each new attempt can be a step toward success. Next, conduct self-assessments. Reflect on your experiences to find out what excites and satisfies you. Ask yourself, which activities make me lose track of time? What things can I do better than others? This self-reflection can help you clearly understand where your talents lie. Psychologist Natalie Csikszentmihalyi mentions, flow is a state of complete immersion and joy. When you are fully engaged in an activity, time seems to fly by, and you feel great satisfaction and accomplishment. Finding activities that put you in this flow state is often where your talents lie. Additionally, receiving feedback from others is an important way to understand your strengths and weaknesses better. Friends, family, and colleagues can help point out talents you may not be aware of. External feedback is often an important tool for discovering blind spots. Finally, continuous learning and growth are key to discovering talents. By constantly learning new knowledge and skills, you can continuously improve yourself and find more possibilities. Lifelong learning not only enriches your knowledge, but also helps uncover potential talents. Successful people like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs found their talents through constant trying and adjustment, leading to great careers. Please share your methods and experiences of discovering talents in the comments. Let's grow and progress together. Now, let's talk about the power of compounding. The long-term accumulation of compounding can significantly increase wealth. The math behind compounding is very simple, but its effect is astonishing. Compounding is the process of earning returns on your returns leading to more earnings. Suppose you have an annual investment return of 10%. If you invest $100 in the first year, you will have $110 in the second year and $121 in the third year after reinvesting. Over time, the returns will grow exponentially. Compounding applies not only to investments, but also to learning and relationships. For example, in learning, by consistently acquiring a bit of new knowledge every day, your knowledge reserves will significantly increase over time. Similarly, in relationships, by maintaining and investing in them over time, your network will expand, bringing you more opportunities. A prime example is Warren Buffett, who has amassed great wealth through the long-term practice of compounding investments. His success lies not only in his investment wisdom but also in his relentless patience and the powerful effect of compounding. Through long-term persistence and the effect of compounding, you can achieve great success in both investments and personal growth. Please share your experiences with compounding investments or learning in the comments. How do you utilize the power of compounding to increase your wealth or enhance yourself? Let's explore this fascinating secret of wealth growth together. Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many. Naval shares some key strategies to help you reach this goal. The key to financial freedom is controlling expenses and increasing passive income. To achieve financial freedom, first, you need to control your expenses. You can manage your spending by creating a budget to ensure your monthly expenses are within a reasonable range. For example, use budgeting software like YNAB. You need a budget or Mint to track your income and expenses and help you manage your finances better. Next, we need to increase income sources. Besides your main job, you can increase your income in various ways, such as investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business like an online store or freelancing. Diversifying your income sources can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Passive income is also an important part of achieving financial freedom. This type of income does not require much time and effort to generate, such as rental income, dividend income, and royalty income. By establishing multiple sources of passive income, you can reduce your dependence on a single income source and increase financial security. Achieving financial freedom requires not only planning but also long-term persistence and discipline. For example, by regularly saving and investing each month, you can gradually accumulate wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, wealth accumulation is a continuous process that takes time and patience. Did you know that by leveraging capital, technology, and human resources, you can significantly amplify your efforts and influence? Naval clearly explains these three types of leverage. First, there is capital leverage. Capital leverage involves using funds to amplify your investment or business returns. For example, by investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a business, you can use other people's money to increase your returns. With capital leverage, you can achieve higher returns and faster wealth accumulation. Second, there is technology leverage. Technology leverage involves using technological tools and automation to improve efficiency and productivity. For example, the booming artificial intelligence technology can save time and effort when utilized effectively. Tech startups often use technology leverage to achieve rapid growth. By leveraging technology, you can work more efficiently and achieve greater output. Finally, there is human leverage. Human leverage involves building teams and partnerships to amplify your influence. By hiring employees or collaborating with partners, you can achieve larger goals and projects. Human leverage allows you to delegate tasks to others, freeing you to focus on the most important matters and maximizing your influence. By correctly utilizing these types of leverage, you can significantly enhance your influence and efficiency. Please share examples of how you use leverage in your life or work in the comments. Let's learn together how to better use these three powerful tools. By building systems and networks, you can achieve leverage. Naval proposes several methods for achieving leverage. First, you can build automation systems to simplify repetitive tasks. For example, use automation software to manage customer relationships, process orders, and send emails. This can save a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on more important matters. Automation systems are powerful tools for achieving leverage and can significantly increase work efficiency. Next, consider outsourcing some tasks. By outsourcing, you can delegate repetitive or time-consuming tasks to professionals, freeing up more time to focus on core business activities. For example, hire a virtual assistant to handle daily tasks or outsource design and programming work. Outsourcing allows you to concentrate on high-value activities and achieve optimal resource allocation. Finally, utilize network resources to expand your influence. For example, by building a strong social media network, you can broaden your reach and attract more customers and partners. By creating a high-quality website or blog, you can share your knowledge and experiences, attracting more attention and interaction. Amazon is a great example of achieving global business expansion through automation and extensive networks. You can also use similar strategies to enhance your efficiency and influence by leveraging systems and network resources. Do you want to optimize your time management and decision-making process? Naval suggests setting an ideal hourly rate and using it as a basis for making decisions. Setting an hourly rate is very simple. First, calculate your desired annual income, and then divide it by the number of hours you plan to work each year. For example, if you want to earn $100,000 annually and plan to work 2,000 hours a year, your hourly rate would be $50. Once you have set your hourly rate, you can use it to evaluate and make decisions. When faced with a new project or task, ask yourself if it is worth spending $50 per hour to do it. If not, consider outsourcing or abandoning it, thereby allocating your time to more valuable tasks. Setting an hourly rate can also help you better manage your time and improve work efficiency. By prioritizing high-value tasks, you can use your time more effectively and achieve better results. This method not only enhances work efficiency but also helps you organize your daily tasks more systematically. In the pursuit of success, direction is more important than speed. Naval emphasizes that long-term strategic goals are more critical than short-term rapid actions. Many people, in their quest for success, often rush to achieve their goals quickly. However, Naval stresses that long-term strategic goals and direction are more important than short-term speed. Setting long-term goals and strategies can ensure that you are moving in the right direction. To achieve this, you need to clarify your long-term goals and set specific milestones and interim goals. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your plans, you can ensure that you stay on the right track and avoid being derailed by short-term setbacks. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plans is crucial. This helps ensure that you remain on the right path and are not hindered by short-term failures or obstacles. Continuous evaluation and adjustment can help you maintain momentum and the correct direction. In the Almanac of Naval Ravikant, Naval introduces the concept of multiple mental models. Multiple mental models can help us view problems more comprehensively and make better decisions. Naval suggests that by learning and applying multiple mental models, we can enhance our thinking abilities. So, what are mental models? Mental models are thinking tools we use to understand the world and solve problems. By learning and applying different mental models, we can view issues from various perspectives and make wiser decisions. Naval recommends learning and applying several key mental models such as first principles thinking, anti-fragility, and the Pareto principle. First principles thinking emphasizes getting back to the fundamental facts of a problem to understand it at its core. Anti-fragility teaches us how to benefit from uncertainty and become stronger. The Pareto principle reveals the importance of the 80-20 rule, helping us focus on the most impactful 20%. Recommended learning resources include Charlie Munger's Poor Charlie's Almanac, which details various mental models and their applications. By practicing and applying these mental models, you can improve your thinking abilities and decision-making skills. Happiness comes not only from material wealth but also from inner contentment and peace of mind. Naval believes that happiness is an inner state rather than an external achievement. To achieve true happiness, we need to learn to look inward and find inner peace and contentment. Here, I don't want to use common perspectives to teach specific methods. What I want to convey is that money can indeed increase happiness, but it actually plays a very small role. Happiness is a skill, a state that doesn't require active pursuit. All troubles stem from desires. As long as you have desires, such as wanting that car, pursuing that person, or seeking fame and fortune, troubles will follow. Happiness, therefore, is about removing this sense of lack from life, achieving a state of fullness without any feeling of deficiency. When you feel that nothing is missing in life, your mind will be at rest, not dwelling on the past or fantasizing about the future. You won't regret the past or strive for the future. In those brief moments of feeling no lack, your mind will be at peace, and when your mind is at peace, you will be content. In other words, the essence of happiness lies in the absence of suffering and desires, not being lost in thoughts about the future or the past, and truly embracing the present moment. Embrace your current state and reality because the only place we can live is in the present. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. If you don't cherish the present moment, it will soon become the past, and your life will always be caught between unfulfilled desires and unappreciated moments. Therefore, everyone must learn to live in the present. The path to wealth and happiness is not crowded. As long as you find your true self, discover your talents, and utilize the power of compounding and leverage, you can become a better version of yourself. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and see you next time.